Good afternoon, everyone. I am showing off my scaleless female Okatee. Her name is Skinderella, and she just shed, so she is looking vivacious. Those beautiful colors. Try to put her in the window so you can see it a little bit better. Sorry for the dirty windowsill. I was feeding my cat up here. She got some of her gravy and stuff on the windowsill. Just trying to keep dogs out of her food. Anywho, she's gorgeous. Now, she is heterozygous for amelanistic and anerytheristic. So, heterozygous and homozygous, if you would like to know what that means, is so she's homozygous for scaleless and Okatee. Okatee is a locality, that is why she has these really thick borders, you know, with the black around her saddles there. And then the scaleless is visual, so that means that you can see it. Heterozygous means that she carries the gene, but it is not visual. In order for her to have shown off the amelanistic and anerytheristic genes, she would have had to have received 2 copies of those, one from each parent. So because she didn't receive 2 copies, she only received 1 copy from 1 parent. So I'm assuming one of her parents was probably a scaleless snow. So that's why she doesn't have that as a visual. Anyway, so that's just a little quickie on corn snake genetics. You know, an interesting thing about a scaleless corn snake is they usually only have their belly scales and maybe a smattering of some scales around their body or on their head. This one, interestingly though, if I can get her to flip over, hang on a second. Okay, so this one, if she holds still, you can see she is actually missing the entire middle strip of scales down her belly. So she's only got her side belly scales, and that is it. So I don't know if that's something that's going to come through in her future offspring, or if it's just a fluke in her case. Or it could mean that if I bred her to another scaleless, maybe they won't even have any of the belly scales. Who knows? It's not something I can really predict without proving it. So I'm looking forward to when she is large enough for breeding. She's not quite there. She's going to need another year to go. And then she'll be ready. Again, her name is Skinderella. Thank you so much for watching the video.